So I used to throw this away. I pulled it from like it's prawn pulled, but nowadays this is what I do. First thing, wash them thoroughly. Like they are clean, but I still do wash them. Like twice or thrice. I think 2 times we do. So next thing, you can either use a salad strainer to like dry them up, but I have time. I'm going to just put that in there and give it some time to strain. Like just use normal and now we wait. So now we have strained it a lot. You see that? What we are going to do right now is just to take like one good handful of it, spread it on my sheet in here, and I bought an extra appliance up there just to put it there. I will use the air fryer option, but you can also use slow dry option. Next thing is go in there with some salt. But let me take this one up. You can also work with some palm oil or something, just a little bit, but it's up to you. Salt is compulsory. Next thing, take all of it and tuck, close. So switch that on. It's on air fry. Let me clean that, please. And you come at air frying. Timer, let's go with first 10 minutes. You can always go up in temperature. That's the lowest I can go with air frying. And start. So I'm having a lot of steam coming out here, so let's look at it, because I don't want it to burn, and it's really doing what I want. So I think the time is okay. Oh, that was not smart. So let it do its thing. So that's done. Listen to that. So the next thing is just to let that cool down. Take it like this. The second wedge is a little bit more moist, so I will let that go for 2 minutes again. But for the meantime, there you go. You have your crayfish powder. You can use it in your Maggi mixture, like homemade stock cube. I can't even tell you how this kitchen is scent. It's very, 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 very intensive. You can use it in your egusi soup, your okra soup, you know, in almost everything you want to enhance the taste. Like I will just go in and like add some onions, some green spices, or my green spices, my green cube, green sauce cubes, and you know. So don't throw this away. We use it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me if you're going to use it. Bye.